Dreaming of launching your own Netflix-style streaming platform? But coding, expensive developers, and complicated setups keep getting in your way. Meet MovieEngine, the all-in-one WordPress solution. It lets you build a professional movie and streaming website. You can do it without writing a single line of code. Deliver a premium streaming experience that looks modern, responsive, and feels just like the platforms your audience already loves. Create beautiful movie pages, TV series, episodes, genres, actors, trailers, and powerful search features in just a few clicks. Launch faster, save thousands in development costs, and manage everything from one powerful dashboard built specifically for movie websites. Stop wasting time building from scratch. Start creating your professional OTT platform today with MovieEngine.